Welcome to another questions and answers video series brought to you by the funeral program site. Today's question is, where do I buy funeral prayer cards? Before we get started, please take a moment to like and subscribe to our channel. This enables us to continue making useful and helpful content to assist you during a time of loss. We are never prepared to lose a loved one, but gathering knowledge before it happens can be helpful in the funeral planning process. Funeral prayer cards are typically handed out at a visitation, wake, or funeral service. The cards provide a tangible keepsake of a loved one and may display a small photo, their name, date of birth through date of death, and short prayer. The prayer cards are convenient in size and can be carried in a purse or wallet. For this reason, it is the #1 printed memorial that is distributed at a funeral service. Most funeral homes will include prayer cards within the burial or cremation package you choose. However, if your funeral home does not, or you would like a different type of design for the prayer card, here are other ways and resources to purchase them. The funeral program site is a family favorite resource that offers a few options on producing prayer cards. At our website, you always have options. Number 1. Create it yourself with a DIY ready-made template, which contains the prayer card layout, design, and enables you to print locally. The format has already been created, so you will just replace the filler text with your information and insert a photo, if desired. You may print it on your own or take it to a local printer. Number 2. Purchase funeral prayer card paper, which can be run through your home printer. The paper is perforated for easy separation and saves on ink since the design on the front is already pre-printed. With either of these options, you have a choice to create it yourself or have it shipped to you completely designed and printed by the funeral program site. The prayer cards can also be laminated after printing, if desired. These options can be printed in any language, and do not take much time, so you can still receive them promptly for your service. At our online superstore, we have many funeral prayer card designs to choose from. If you are in the market for this type of printed memorial, check out our collection today, only available at thefuneralprogramsite.com.